of our this era, they're not having that much of time that they can give knowledge or they can give education. Even they feel they're not ready to give 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin or something by which they can feed their stomach. So if you provide them food, so they can do something for themselves, because they are also having that much of skill, so they can do something.
Right. Yeah. Next. Malay.
First of all, I would like to wish a very good evening to everyone present here. Now, I would like to say that what I personally feel is that the poor people need knowledge rather than anything else. Because what the primary importance, what is the thing that we should put as a primary importance for them? I mean, there is a big difference between humans and animals, and knowledge is the only thing which differentiates a human from an animal. So what we need to do is draw a line between the animals and the human part. We have got to teach them, we have got to make them aware that knowledge is more important for you. So if they are having the knowledge about a particular thing, then they can earn for themselves and they can get the food by themselves. Like I heard someone saying that if they won't be having the food in their stomach, then how can they receive the knowledge? So that is not the thing. You don't need to have food in the stomach to get the knowledge. You need to have an urge to learn. You need to have a willpower, a positive willpower, and that's what it takes to make an optimistic person. Right. That's what it takes to make a successful person. Now, as far as it is concerned that we are not having time in this modern era, and we cannot give time to the poor people, we cannot teach them. But this can be a particular solution to a very big problem which we are facing: unemployment. The people who are unemployed, they can be given a chance to teach the poor people, and in turn we can give them the money for that. So two problems are being solved by a single solution. Definitely, other things like if we take the example of the midday meal, what are we doing with that? We are just trying to fetch up the people, the poor people, towards the schools and towards the educational institutions by giving them the greed for food. They are coming, but they are just coming for the food, and they are not getting any knowledge for that. So this shows that there is a great importance of knowledge in our world, and we need to spread knowledge rather than food, because if a person is having knowledge, again I would like to repeat that he can earn his own food, and that is what makes a dignified life. I mean, living is just a part of everyone's life. Even animals live, and even humans live. But what is the difference? There is the dignity in our life. We can hold our head up and we can live like that. And so the poor people need something like that, a major booster for their populations. They need to grow themselves up. No, we don't have to put up our hand to them and pull them up at every step. We just have to provide them with a single solution so that they can grow up on themselves. Like we teach our children that, we don't give them a hand at every step of their life. They face failures, they learn from their failures, and that is what we need to teach to the poor people. India is like one among the very poor countries of the world, and we are having a lot of poor people in our country. Illiteracy is another big problem, but illiteracy is giving rise to the poverty. Because you know that the people who are illiterate, they